Hey friends, if you encounter the bad system config info error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, you need to restart your system. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or restart and then click on restart. The second solution is to check your hardware. Now, what does it mean by checking your hardware? Basically, there are a lot of peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, which push their own drivers to the system. And when they do so, then it interferes with the original drivers of the computer. So to isolate this case, please disconnect all peripherals from your computer and then check again. Now, after this, you can run the SFC and the check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Similarly, you can run the check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type chk dsk /r/f and hit enter. And this is specifically for HDD drives. Then press Y and hit enter. And the next time your system restarts, the check disk scan will initiate. The last solution will be to use another command, which is repair BCD, basically repair the boot configuration drive. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator and then paste it here and hit enter. And last of all, you can also restore your system to default to fix the Windows registry. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on Open System Restore, select the recommended restore point, click on Next, and then click on Finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.